In this video, I'll guide you through how to make your Google Calendar public so you can easily share events with anyone. This is really useful if you're managing a team schedule, publishing an events calendar, or just want people to see your availability without emailing back and forth. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that you want to use. It's best to do this on a computer rather than a phone because all the options we need are easy to see on the desktop layout. Once your Google Calendar is open, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Other Calendars. This is where you can add or create new calendars separate from your main one. Creating a separate calendar for public sharing is usually a good idea, so you're not exposing every single personal event. In that Other Calendars section, find the small plus icon. It's usually right next to the text. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A menu will pop up with different options for adding calendars. From that menu, choose Create New Calendar. This opens a new page where you can set up the basic details for the calendar you want to make public. Here you'll see fields for the calendar name, description, and time zone. Type in a clear name that matches its purpose, like team events or public availability. In the description box, you can briefly explain what this calendar is for, which is helpful for anyone you share it with later. Make sure the time zone is correct for your location or your audience because all events will follow this setting. After you've filled out the name, description, and time zone, look for the button that says Create Calendar and click it. Google will create your new calendar and confirm when it's ready. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment and then check under your list of calendars on the left side. Now, find your newly created calendar in the list. Hover over its name and you'll see 3 vertical dots appear next to it. Click those 3 dots to open a small menu. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you into the detailed settings page for that specific calendar. Scroll down until you find the section called Access Permissions for Events. In this section, you'll see an option to make available to public. Turn this option on. Google may show a warning explaining that making a calendar public means anyone with access can see its events, so read that carefully and confirm if you're comfortable with it. You can usually choose whether people see full event details or just whether you're free or busy. Once it's public, look for the option to Get Shareable Link. Click that and Google will generate a link that you can copy and send to anyone or embed on a website. Anyone with that link will be able to view your public calendar.